I will share with you what are the top 3 mistakes in statistical process control or SPC control chart based on my observations of working with over hundreds of manufacturers globally. Statistical process control or SPC control chart is a tool that is used to let you know if there is something wrong with a process or the process is under special cause influence. You can learn about common and special cause in my other video, which I have put the link below. Statistical process control or the control chart will not be useful if it is not set up correctly. By the end of this video, you will know what are the top 3 mistakes and avoid them to set up a proper SPC charts to ensure that it is effective to detect potential problem in your manufacturing process. Do you have a situation where SPC chart does not show out of control situation when the manufacturing line are making parts with more than 10% reject at outgoing quality inspection or worse still at customer site? Then you will need to check if you have any of the 3 common mistakes in setting up a statistical process control or SPC chart which is not effective to detect any potential special cause in a manufacturing process. Mistake number 1, which is one of the most common mistakes of all, is SPC chart is not monitoring the process or the product parameter which is according to the customer's requirement or what is deemed as important to the customers. This could happen when there is no correlation study to understand customers' application and how they would use the part. Most of the company tends to choose the parameter that is easy to monitor. Easy to monitor does not mean correct parameters. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. Mistake number 2 is that there are many manufacturers do not calculate the control limit, which is the voice of the process, and only use specification limits to monitor the process. Most of the time, the control limit is always tighter than the specification limit. Therefore, the chart is not sensitive enough to detect any out-of-control situation. Mistake number 3. Measurement is a process to collect data which is used to plot the chart, and it has a variation on its own. Sometimes the same operator measure the same part for a few times and they get different reading, which by right we should have same reading in the best case scenario. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Hello, are you prepared to harness the potential of statistical process control and process capability to elevate your quality management game? Step into our course, SPC and Process Capability Mastery, meticulously crafted to empower your journey in manufacturing process control. Throughout this program, we will dive into fundamentals SPC principles, exploring topics from process variations to supplier quality management amidst the Industrial 4.0 landscape. Moreover, we will unveil the intricacies of process capability, furnishing you with the tools to streamline processes and deliver unparalleled product quality to your customers. It also could be that different operators measure the same part also get different reading, which give a variation, where we also want a same reading. Therefore, it is important to do measurement system analysis or MSA before collecting the data to ensure the data collection process give accurate or precise and also precise reading. You can learn more about MSA in my course at Udemy per the link below. SPC or Statistical Process Control Chart's main function is to detect any potential problem or special cost variations in a manufacturing process. If there is a mistake in setting out the chart, then the Statistical Process Control Chart or SPC chart will not be able to give the correct signal. If there is a potential problem or special call exists in a manufacturing process, do refer to my other video which explain about Statistical Process Control or SPC chart per the link below or at the end of this video. I hope you have a better understanding on statistical process control by now and able to avoid those 3 mistakes in setting out a SPC chart. Do share and subscribe to my channel to learn about my real-life experience of applying quality tools in managing manufacturing process. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in my future video.